There's noodles now. See noodles here. Noodles.
C'est un exemple d'une promesse, une écrit de la rédemption.
Hi guys. Okay, so welcome to another Vlogmas, another episode of Vlogmas. At this point, I have been vlogging for a while, and it's just been exciting movies. But I'm on a quest to find a gift for someone that I need to give for Secret Santa in 2 days. So I've just got from work. It's past 6, half past 6, and I'm whispering because I'm not whispering. I'm losing my voice, and so I am going to head to the mall now. Hopefully I have enough time. They close by 8:30, so hopefully I have enough time to get there. It's 30 minutes away from here. I'm going to run and see if I can get a good gift. So just wanted to come say hello and welcome to a new vlog, a new Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Hi guys, good evening. Today is Friday. I've just well, I'm in a hurry for Friday because this is the last week before my holiday starts. But today is Thursday. I've just gotten back home from work. I am not very tired. I'm not very tired, but I'm tired. And so I stopped at normal, which has for some reason become where I stop for a lot of things now, to pick up a few things. So I've been seeing this ad on YouTube for a while, and I want to try it. I want to see if it is true to its words. I hope you can even see it clearly because light is reflecting from somewhere that I don't understand. Yeah, I ran out of my cleanser. I have maybe one to use for one makeup removal and then it's done. So I thought instead of replacing that one, I normally use the simple micellar water. So I want to try this one and see how true it is. On the ad, the girl applies different colors of lipstick and she's able to wipe it off in one swipe. We're going to see if that works. I haven't used lipstick in a long time anyway, but with regular face. Then I got this one is for food. I didn't get it from normal. I got this one is for food too. I didn't get it in normal. My body soap, the one I normally get, I perceived this and I didn't like the smell today. I don't know why, but I got this one. The hibiscus almond oil and hibiscus. I normally get vanilla and shea butter, but they didn't have the one I normally get. They had one other vanilla one and I didn't like it. It's very harsh. Then this one, so I got the gift for my colleague, Secret Santa, and I want to add this one. So basically what I got was is this travel kit, whatever it is. It is, yeah, I think it's a travel kit. I would use it for a travel kit. It has 3 different sizes of purse in it, and then I thought to just make it complete, I wanted to get the bottle that you can put different things in it, but I got a sleeping mask instead because it kind of fits with it. So I'm going to put it in a bag. I was looking for a gift bag to buy, but the ones they had were too small for it, so I got that as well. And then what else did I get? I got a body spray. It was just this one. The one I normally have, they didn't have a big size, so I got this one instead. This is the first time of trying this one too. I hope it doesn't smell bad. I'm seeing dark chocolate scent, dark temptation, whatever. But anyways, that is what I got. I'm going to make dinner now. I have a meeting in 20 minutes, so I want to make sure that dinner is cooking while the meeting is on, so that the time between eating and finishing the meeting is not a long time. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to go now. Tomorrow is a kind of long day. Tomorrow we have our work dinner, Christmas dinner, Christmas party, whatever. I have it tomorrow, so that means I'm not going to be home early. I thought I'll be home early, so I can do my hair, but I won't be home early. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.